Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Now in this video I am going to be letting you know that I still have 30 subscribers. And now in the last video I explained that I lost one of my subscribers, but I now only have 30 subscribers, but 30 subscribers is still good. And tomorrow, and I just want to let you guys know that tomorrow I'm going to release my 30 subscribers special. And in my 30 subscribers special, it will be good because Tomato Boy will be in it. Tomato Boy will be in my 30 subscribers special. That's why my 30 subscribers special will be good, because Tomato Boy will be in it. And I'm very happy that Tomato Boy will be in it, because I feel bad for Tomato Boy that I destroyed his phone. Because what I did to Tomato Boy was really messed up. That was really messed up of me to do that. And I feel so sorry for Tomato Boy. So I'm going to go apologize to him right now. Hey, Tomato Boy, I am so sorry I destroyed your phone, Tomato Boy. What I did to you, Tomato Boy, was really messed up, so I'm gonna make it up to you by letting you be in my 30 subscribers special, so you'll really like that. And yeah, guys, Tomato Boy is gonna be in my 30 subscribers special. And I don't know if my dad or my mom is gonna be in it. Well, I don't know if my dad is gonna be in it, because he's probably gonna be too busy anyways. So I don't think my dad's gonna be in it. But in my 30 subscribers special, I will put on the mask and talk while I'm in the while I have the mask on. So yeah, and I don't think I'm gonna do a giveaway on this mask, because I want to keep it for other future videos. And in one of my videos, I explained the origins of my YouTube channel and how much it's grown since my first video. And since my first video, this has been the room where I made my videos, and I still do make videos here in my room. Besides, and I don't make videos in my closet, because I just make videos here in my room. And you guys already know that I make videos here in my room, because you guys see my room whenever I make videos. So you guys already know that I make videos here in my room. And I had to change shirts too, because I did something on accident. I didn't mean to do that. And I just want to let you guys know that I feel better now, because after in the last video I was kind of mad that I lost one of my subscribers. But I feel better now. And I need to get my Roblox toy back together, so I'm going to get it back together now. Come on, come on. Okay, there we go. I got my Roblox toy back together. Now I need to get the hat back on. There we go. I got the hat back on him now. So let's put that on. And I have another Roblox toy. This is part of my pizza set. And I already unboxed my pizza set. And I lost the other half of my pizza set, so I'm gonna have to get a whole new pizza set. But I still need to get the Roblox High School set. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the Roblox High School set. Oh, and if you want a free Lego, Steve. Well, Steve, I am now doing a new giveaway on this Lego, Steve. And if you want to win this Lego, Steve, then all you have to do is be the first one to leave a like on my video. And Fire Rage is already the winner of my last giveaway. So here, let me show you my giveaway for the last time before I give it away. Fire Rage is the winner of this giveaway. So yeah, Fire Rage has won this giveaway already. So I just want to show that this giveaway, for the last time before I give it to Fire Rage next week. And the door's still open and closed. I'll show you for the last time now. Alright, so that's the giveaway for the last time. And I might do a giveaway on the van, but I don't think I am going to do a giveaway on the van. But if I do a giveaway on the van, then I'll let you guys know if I do or not. And in one of my last videos, I looked through this book. So I'm going to look through it one more time. Now, alright guys, that's the book. And in one of my videos, I'm pretty sure I did an unboxing on some colored pencils. And now I'm going to show you my erasers that I unboxed one night, and I don't know where they are because that one night I threw them over here somewhere, and now I don't think I can find them here. Jeez, I can't find the other erasers, and them erasers cost lots of money. So I might have to get a new one so I can do an unboxing video on that one. I don't think I have anything else to unbox. Well, I do have a Happy Meal toy to unbox. But I'll unbox this in the next video. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a